In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Salesflare with PayPal and why this integration can be a game changer for your sales process. If you're using Salesflare for customer relationship management and PayPal for transactions, linking these two tools will streamline your workflow and give you deeper insights into your sales and payments. Stick around till the end, as I'll also reveal how you can get access to Salesflare for free with some exclusive bonuses. Now, if you're new to Salesflare, it's a powerful CRM built for small businesses, automating much of your sales pipeline while providing deep insights into customer interactions. PayPal, on the other hand, is one of the most popular payment systems for businesses. Connecting the two will allow you to seamlessly track payments, update contact details, and even automate follow-ups based on PayPal transactions. To connect Salesflare with PayPal, you'll first need to head to Salesflare's integrations page. It's easy to find in the settings, and once you're there, you can search for PayPal. Click on the PayPal integration option, and you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, you can grant Salesflare permission to access your PayPal data. This enables Salesflare to pull transaction details from PayPal directly into your CRM. Once connected, you can start to take full advantage of this integration. For example, when you receive a payment through PayPal, Salesflare will automatically update the corresponding customer's profile. This makes it easy to see their payment history and track how they're engaging with your business. If you're sending invoices through PayPal, Salesflare can automatically create a new deal or opportunity based on that transaction, keeping everything organized. But that's not all. With this connection, you can automate a lot of your communication. For example, once a payment is received through PayPal, you can set Salesflare to send a thank you email or a receipt automatically. You can also set up reminders or follow-up tasks for yourself, ensuring that you never miss out on opportunities or leave a customer hanging. So why does this matter for your business? By connecting PayPal to Salesflare, you can not only streamline your payment tracking, but also enhance your customer service by having all the data you need in one place. You're no longer flipping between PayPal and your CRM to make sure everything matches. Salesflare's automation features can handle that for you, saving you time and preventing errors. If you're looking to scale your business and maintain a consistent high-quality customer experience, integrating Salesflare with PayPal is a smart move. And remember, if you're just getting started with Salesflare, you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses when you sign up. This integration is just one of the many ways Salesflare can help you grow your business. Whether you're managing a few clients or hundreds, this CRM is designed to automate tasks and keep everything organized, so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Don't forget to check out the extended free trial available through the link below to start using Salesflare and take advantage of all its powerful features today.